That's so crazy. Oh my gosh. This is awesome.
I got so much love. Thank you. Next, thank you. Next, thank you. Next, I'm so grateful for my ex.
What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas Day 9 and I'm barely picking up my camera to vlog. It is literally 7 o'clock at night already, but today was Sunday, packaging day, so you know, that's kind of expected. But right now we're actually making some slime for Slime Mania, so I guess let's jump into that. So right now I'm making a base to the snow globe slime. It is a little bit darker of a color than it normally is, just because I only put 1 drop of blue food coloring. So this one has a drop of blue food coloring. When I'm gonna make the next gallon, I'm not gonna add any food coloring to it. So it's gonna kind of like distribute evenly. I also have this new slime here that I made and it smells so good. It actually smells like peppermint bark, so like peppermint chocolate. There's like a little bit of like pretzel scent in there as well. It smells really, really good. This one's gonna be called Unicorn Christmas Fudge, I believe. And we're gonna have like cute little sprinkles to add on it too, but we haven't done that yet. We already also have like 4 gallons maybe packaged of Chanel. My mom was making another one over here. Say hey mom with all the glue. And then my aunt is actually over here. Excuse my house, it's crazy right now. And she is packaging some of this slime as well. Say hey.
Hey.
So this is what we have of Chanel so far. We're still packaging a lot more. And then Mud Mask over there. We're also gonna have 32 ounces at Slime Mania, so that's gonna be cool. Okay, so I'm just adding in the last bit of borax to the snow globe base by hand. This is my little method. If you haven't seen that video, you should definitely check it out on how to make like instant clear slime. Of course, you're never gonna really have like an instant clear slime to where there's like 0 bubbles, but this is the closest you're gonna get. It's literally gonna probably even be clear by tomorrow, no joke. And I'm already working on the second batch as well. As you see, I didn't add any color to it. Just the holographic, just the holographic teal glitters are in there right now, and then I'm activating that as well. Okay, so here it is. It is finally made and it looks beautiful. I think it's honestly perfect right now. Let's take a look at those glitters, see if you can see them. This is so beautiful. It's only gonna get even clearer than this. Okay y'all, the moment you've all been waiting for. I am going to make a magnetic slime now. I am so excited. I literally was just telling everybody on Instagram right now that I've never done this before and I've never like even experimented with magnetic powder before. So I'm really excited and I really hope that this works because I'm going to be taking it to Slime Mania, and I just think it's going to be something unique that's not really going to be there at the event, and just something unique to my shop as well that I haven't even tried before or experimented with, so I'm really excited. Okay, so I'm just adding in my glue. This is the 4th bottle of glue right here. I'm using the Elmer's quartz just because it's a lot clearer, and I know this is not going to be like a clear slime. I'm going to be adding in the black magnetic powder, but I still want this to be a clear base slime just because I think it'll be really cool that way. Okay, so in this box here I have the magnetic powder. This is called magnetic, I can't see y'all, you know I'm blind, hold up. Magnetic Science Iron Fillings, and this is magnetic. I have some magnets here. I'm going to show you that it's literally already like well, of course it's already magnetic because it's magnetic, but I just want to show you anyways because it's cool. Okay, so here's like a little stack of 3 magnets, and this is the magnetic powder. Watch. Isn't that crazy? It's super magnetic already. That's so wild. I'm so excited to make this. I do want to say really quickly, because I almost literally just put the entire box of magnets on my phone, you want to make sure that you keep this slime plus the magnet away from any like devices like a phone or a TV screen, a computer screen, or a computer itself, just because I don't know if most of you know this, but I'm gonna tell you anyways, it can actually wipe out like everything. It can completely destroy devices because these magnets are kind of powerful. So you know, just be aware of that. If you buy the slime, make sure to keep the magnet and the slime away from any like electronic devices. There's your warning. So I'm gonna go ahead and dump in the iron filings now into the slime. I don't know how much to use, so I'm just gonna go with half a bottle first. Oh my gosh, it's sinking to the bottom. That's so crazy. I would say that's a little bit more than half a bottle, but we're gonna start with that. I ordered literally like 6 bottles of this just because I'm not sure how much it needs. I just kind of winging it, you know? Okay, so now I'm just gonna activate the slime and hope that it works. I think I'm gonna add in some like neon green to this just to make it, I want it to look kind of like toxic in a way, like those toxic barrel of slime thingies. So I think I'm gonna do that because I think it'll be really cool. I'm gonna add in this green right here. It's like a neon green. I'm running out of it, but YOLO. I just think it's gonna make it look super, super cool. Here it is. I think it looks super cool. I just wish it was a little bit darker. I think I'm gonna like add more of the iron. Let's see if it actually works though. That's so crazy. Oh my gosh. This is awesome. I probably look insane right now. This is so cool. Look right here. So crazy. Oh my gosh. It actually works. This is insane. This is so cool, but I have a dilemma. I don't know what I should do because, okay, so you see here how it's clearly like, it's clearly magnetic, right? Like it's actually working. You see that? You see how it's like lifting up? It's actually magnetic. It's really cool, but the magnets have to be super strong, and these magnets here on their own, let me see if I can show you real quick with just one magnet. The magnet on its own is not that strong, but when it's together, it works. You know what I'm saying? So I think I'm gonna have to find either like a stronger magnet, but it's gonna be more expensive, so I don't know if I'll be able to sell this. I don't know, y'all. I'm not sure. I really want this to make it to Slime Mania though, so we're gonna see. I'm gonna try. Okay, well, I am going to go ahead and get on Amazon and research some stronger magnets that are also kind of cost effective and not too pricey. I'm definitely not going to be able, if I do take this slime to Slime Mania, it's not going to be able to be like a discounted slime just because the flakes, the magnetic flakes are actually pretty expensive, and also the magnets are pretty Pisces. Okay, pretty pricey as well. So I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I might just have to keep it all for myself. I just really don't know. Let me know in the comment section what I should do. Would you pay like maybe $20 for an 8 ounce of magnetic slime if it's like super magnetic obviously and you get a really strong magnet with it, or would you pass on it? I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Let me know. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching this vlog. I am so sorry that it was a short vlog. I think this is probably going to be my shortest vlog yet, and I'm really sorry about that, but today was packaging day, you know, so sorry about it. But the next few vlogs are going to be really exciting, starting in like 3 or 4 days, because I'm going to be headed to Slime Mania. We're going to be traveling. Actually, Holden is going with me too, so I'm just really excited. We're going to be driving, so it's going to be a blast with all my family in a big 15 passenger car. It's going to be insane. I'm really excited. But yeah, anyways, I was ending the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you tomorrow with another vlog. Bye. I said blog, you know what I mean.